Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make goat head curry with one secret ingredient. First, let's prepare a paste. Take onions, ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Grind them into a fine paste and keep it aside. Now, switch on the stove, place a cooker, and add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add the onion paste we prepared earlier. Saute it well and then add curry leaves. Let it fry nicely until golden. Add salt and turmeric, mix and fry until the raw smell goes away. Next, add the cleaned goat head pieces and mix them thoroughly. Let them cook in their own juices. No need to add extra water at this stage. After a while, add sliced tomatoes, cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the tomatoes turn soft. Now, add spice powders, red chili powder, cumin and coriander seeds powder, and either mutton masala or whole garam masala powder. Mix well, then add the required amount of water. Close the cooker with the lid and cook until about 10 whistles. After 10 whistles, the texture and color will look amazing. Taste and adjust salt if needed. Then switch on the stove again and add a secret ingredient, tamarind juice. Mix it well. Sprinkle freshly chopped coriander leaves and let it simmer for 5 more minutes until it reaches the desired consistency. That's it. Our delicious goat head curry is ready. Today, my husband and I are enjoying this curry together for lunch. I also prepared a side dish, mutton dry curry. If you would like that recipe too, I have shared the link in the description or comments. Don't forget to check it out. I really love sharing meals with my husband. Those little moments create beautiful memories for me, especially when he goes back on duty. Until the next video, thank you for watching. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Bye. Take care. Good day.